I am Dr. R. Kannan, working as Professor and Director in the Center for Tourism and Hotel Management, Madurai Kamaraj University, Madurai. And I am associated with the Dr.MGR Educational and Research Institute for the past 20 years related to academics. And I am very happy to know that this MGR Educational and Research Institute, they have organized an award ceremony on 30/7/2024, for which I was invited. And it is a credit to mention that I have been awarded Dr. MGR Educational Leadership in Hospitality and Tourism 2024 for the first time. And I am the first one to receive the award from the field of tourism and hospitality. And this award has been initiated for promoting tourism and hospitality education. And my thanks are due to the Founder Chancellor of Dr. MGR Educational Research Institute and to the President of this particular institute and the Vice Chancellor, the Nodal Officers and the Joint Registrar Mr. M. Prabhu, as well as the other faculty members who are serving in the Department of Hotel Management. As far as this award is concerned, this award has been offered for many personalities who are from the various fields related to tourism, hospitality, and food science and nutrition. And I happen to see the recent infrastructure that have been developed at the institute, and it is very awesome and it will be very helpful for the practical part of the students. And I am also very happy to know that the students of this particular department, they have won various medals in the recent competition held in Bangalore, for which they were awarded. And as far as this institute is concerned, not only in the field of education, it is concentrating even in the field of research also. Because nowadays in hotel management, research has become very important as far as the academics is concerned. And my thanks goes to all the organizers of this particular award ceremony. And I wish all the students to come up in their academic and career heights. Thank you very much for having given me the opportunity.